Let's move into the code now. Right, so I have set it up the environment. Now let me take the question one by one. So let's read the question again. So assume that is today is Saturday. So it is Saturday. We can print this also. Ali is a BBA student, and he has to complete 5 assignments this week. So neglecting this is not that much of important part. This is just the creating the scenario. The main part will is that he has 5 assignments for now. So we are going to take as 5 assignment, and then he has to complete and submit all the assignments in this week. So we have to take all the inputs for Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday, and give it to the stack. So let me first create the stack class. So I'll create a class named Harsh stacks, and in this we will have a array integer of stack. Let me just make it uppercase. New int of stack of 5. Right, so we can say that the drawer can only contain 5 assignments at a time. Right, so any drawer will have its limit, that it cannot store more than a certain number of assignments. So our drawer is fixed to 5 assignments at once, and let's create a top pointer. So int top, this will be pointing to the current element. So let me explain you what I'm talking about. So how will you know that where is currently we are on which number? So we use a pointer called top. So what top does is, in the beginning top is 0, and when you have to put a value, so you know you have to put a value at the 0th index of the array. So you use a of 0 and then you increase the top pointer. So next time the top will be pointing here, and you will first put value here and then you will increase the top pointer. So this is how you add, and then while you are taking out the value, so what you do is you reduce the value of top and return the value. So this is how you can pop and push. So there are two operations in stack. One is push, where you put element inside the stack, and the other one is pop, where you take out the topmost element of the stack. And that's what we do, right? So we put the element from the top and we create a number of files like this, and then we pop. So what we take first file first and then the other files. We directly cannot take the last file, right? So this is what a stack data structure do for us. So I'm creating that stack data structure. I have these two created. Now I'll create a method, public void add, sorry, push. So we are going to push an element, and to push an element I'll take an parameter inside that. So I'm taking an element. Now what I'll do is I'll put a stack at the top plus plus, so top will be increased after this. So here I'm putting the value for the first iteration. It will be stack of 0, and then top will be increased to 1, and then it will be stack of 1, and then top will be increased to 2. So this plus plus operator, what it does is it first uses the current value and then increases it. So first it will use the 0 value and then it will be increased to 1. So 0 is used, so stack of 0 is equals to this, and this is what we do in push. So we have to put a limit also here. So we have to check if top is greater than equals to 5. So if it reaches 5, we know that we do not have array above that. We have only 5 elements, and currently the top can only go till 5 only. So if it is 5, we have to simply print, okay, no more assignments can be stored. So no more assignments can be stored, and we can just return from here. We do not need to go ahead. right? Else we can do this. Will return the topmost element. So what I'll do is first I will check if there exists an element or not. So if top is less than or equal to 0, that means there are no elements present. So I'll just print this out. No assignments present in drawer, right? So we can write this and we can just return 0, and if it is not, then we can return stack, and we have to first decrease, so minus minus top, right? So first it will be decreased here and then it will be used. So stack of decreased top, right? So this will be the pop function for us. So we have push and pop here.